Yes, sir. I'm recording again, man. And guess what? Just guess. Please guess. I'm begging you. All right, time's up. That's right. My microphone is only on 20% of charge. So if I randomly stop talking, okay, it's not my fault. It is the microphone's fault for not charging itself up. Okie dokie. Alright, you may be thinking, what are you doing out at such a time in the day? 2:30? Oh my gosh. Why are you out so early? Well, it's because I had a little bit of a short day at work today. That made it, hold on, wait, let me rephrase. That made it sound like I got fired or something. My hours are scheduled to end at 2:30 today. So that's really cool. And I'm really happy about that because that means I get to go home and, well, work out. It means I'd be off the phones, which, you know what, is a big win for me. It's so nice being here. I always finish at like 5, 6, 7. There's always loads of traffic around here. So it is it's just a nice change to have no traffic here, you know what I'm saying? You understand, right? You do understand, right? You have a job, don't you? Surely you have a job. Who doesn't have a job? Oh wait, I know who doesn't have a job. Jack doesn't have a job. Jack's unemployed. He's been unemployed his whole life. La 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 la, let's go! These lights are gonna change, trust me, you're gonna have to trust me, I'm not stopping, they're gonna change. Told you. Yeah. I got a little bit scared there, to be honest with you. I got a little bit scared that they weren't actually gonna change, but they did. Oh. Why didn't he just wait until it's changed? See you later, bitch! I know he wasn't racing me, but kind of felt like he was there a little bit, you know? And anyway, I have to stop at the lights anyway, so he's probably going to catch up with me. Here's another chance to get past the master. We'll see if he does. There he is. Oh my gosh. And yeah, no chance, mate. Negative chance, my sir, my friend. Alright, let's get up onto the motorway. Oh, I'm going to have to slow down. It's fun going fast around here. It was a long... Oh, sir, thank you, sir. Oh my god, thank you so much, sir. I mean, the corner's kind of finished now, but still, we can have a little bit of fun. A little bit. It is a blind corner at the same time, though, so you don't want to go too crazy with it on the public roads, man. I really want to do a track day. Track day will be so fun to do, where I can actually push this bike to its limits. Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, mate, a track day will be so cool. I need to get a front brake guard if I'm going to do it. I need to get full racing leathers if I'm going to do it. So it's going to cost money, plus obviously the actual track day. It will cost money, but it's something I really want to do. Something I really want to do really badly, man. I want to push the limit of this thing. Well, obviously the limits are, it's restricted, so the limits are not going to be hit exactly, but you know what I mean, like push the limits through the corners, I got really deep. I got really deep with this bike, you know, not emotionally and not physically, but rather spiritually. When I was going around a corner, I scraped the right peg along the floor, and that's how you know you're in a deep into a corner. So I guess that might be physically, actually, not necessarily spiritually, but me and this bike, Terrence, we have a bit of a spiritual connection, you know? We understand what each other needs, you know what I'm saying? When I go like this, it goes forward. And that's spiritual, that's mind control. I did not do anything physically. I just say go forward, and look at it. Look at us going forward. Wow. Now that is just incredible. Speed cameras over here. Be careful, there's a 60 zone. I'm not getting another fucking speeding ticket. I have to go to rehabilitation for speeding. Fuck. Oh mate, I'm allergic to that shit, man. I have to go to rehabilitation for speeding. Going 69 in a 70, mate. Let that sink in. That's bullshit. If that's sunk in now, you'll be the same reaction as me. That's bullshit, mate. It was because it was a 60 variable speed limit. I understand the law is the law, but at the same time, why you gotta be so rude? There we go. Insert meme or some shit like that. I don't know, man. But that was a bit of a throwback. To an older song that got played a lot by Magic. And you know what? It's a pretty solid song. I did hate it at the time. But you know what other song I also hated? I really hated Chandelier. I'm gonna swing on the chandelier. Yeah, fuck that song, mate. But I actually like it now because it is such a good song. But my dad played it every fucking day, and if you hear that shit every day unwillingly, oh, we need to get through, we need to get through, we need to get through. We made it, boy, baby, we made it. Alright, let's get down deep. Oh, there's traffic, what the fuck? Let's move over, because we need to get over to the left. We actually made it! Woo! Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, man. That was a nice little set of corners there, man. That was a nice little set of corners. In the right lane, we need to be on the left. The right lane does not turn left. And you might be thinking, oh, you're screwed. You're screwed. But then you have forgotten that I am the greatest rider in the history of the world. And also, I'm going up against a truck. So their acceleration, I mean, they're not known for acceleration. So I think I'm going to be good to go. All right, we've got to get ready. Got to get ready. We made it. Wow, that was really hard. It was really, really hard. So how much, let's check how much fuel distance we got. We've got 12 miles left, dude. Brother! That is plenty of fuel. We'll go get some more, though, because you can never have too much fuel. I spent so much money on fuel this month. It is abnormally high for me. Oh, my gosh. Bloody hell, bloody hell. Oh, my God, I've just realized I've talked about absolutely nothing this whole video. I need to talk about something, like, exciting. I don't know. What would be exciting to talk about, do you think? I think, let me brainstorm. Hold on, guys, let me brainstorm. Oh my gosh, I thought of it. I have thought of it. Oh my gosh, Ark Survival Evolved / Ascended is my favorite game in the entire world. I love Ark. Oh my god, you don't understand how excited I was for Ark Survival Ascended to come out. Oh my god, my heart was beating at least a little bit faster, mate. That shit was crazy. But guess what? I'm gonna tell you a bit of a sad story now, so you guys better get your tissues ready for this shit. You're about to get crushed emotionally. Trust me, okay? So, alright, Ark Survival Ascended's coming out. It's about 80 gigabytes. Alright, it's about 80 gigabytes to download it. Pretty big game. And guess where I live? I live in a forest, basically. Alright, there's no signal where I live. There's barely internet where I live. I'm getting peak. Alright, so this is peak. This is not average. This is not the usual speed. This is peak. This is when it's firing on all cylinders. I get 5 megabits download speed, mate. What the fuck? What the fuck did you just say? 5 megabits? That's pathetic. Yes, sir. It is pathetic, isn't it? Yeah, 5 megabits, mate. Oh my gosh, you know how it took me 3 days, 3 full days, by the way. So I'm not talking about 3 daytime days. I'm talking about all through the night I'm downloading, mate. I'm downloading this game for 3 days before I can fucking play it on my Wi-Fi. Okay, oh my gosh! That is long as heck. So the anticipation built up so much, mate. It was it was edging me. There we go, slip in there. Alright, I really want to get free air in this corner. And then I'll get back to Ark Survival Ascended. I need to focus all cylinders. Oh my god, we're gonna make it, we're gonna make it, we're gonna make it. Oh, come on, no please, no please. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. No! No! Oh, buddy. That is so depressing. This corner is really nice just to kind of, you know, go around. It's really cool. But this bitch, look, she can barely even see over the fucking... I'm sorry. I'm just being mean for no reason whatsoever. She seems like a nice lady. Oh, brother. Yeah, so, you know, that was disappointing, wasn't it? Oh, fuck. But the silver lining about this is, yeah, I downloaded the game and it was really cool. It looks incredible. Yeah, there's bugs. Yeah, there's issues. Yes, Snail game fucking sucks. But you know what is great? The game. The game's a fantastic game. Oh my god, I love it. So you know what? I want to play through it with my friends. And we're going to do a special little challenge. Alright, we're going to do a special little challenge where we have 3 lives. And once those 3 lives are up, then boom, you have to stop playing that map. You can revive back on level 1. For anybody who knows Ark, you can revive back on level 1 when you finish the map. That will be the rule. You can revive back again. So it's not all is not lost when you die. It just means you cannot participate in the game, that map anymore. But a couple catches to that. You're immune till level 10. So that kind of stops any low level silly deaths from dillos or raptors. you know, by level 10, you should have got at least kitted up enough to protect yourself. Okay, by level 10. So, level 10, until level 10, you're immune. No lives can be lost. But if you do die, you can come back for key events, such as bosses and caves. Okay, so you don't really miss out on any story aspects of the game. But yeah, I think it's a really cool idea. So we're going to play through the entire game. I'm hoping to record it as well. So we need to wait till I get a bit more famous, so I can record it into a really cool series. 3 of us playing, and yeah, it'll be a really good time, you know. One of them hasn't played Ark that much, played a little bit, not too much though, so they don't really know what they're doing. So hopefully they don't die, but I think it will just add so much. Yeah, it will increase. Oh my god, there's a bike. Someone with a bike's over there. Oh my gosh. All right, I'll pick it back up. Oh my god, wait, that guy's a bunch of parcels. What the fuck? That is a lovely little machine right there. What bike is that? Is that a Honda? Oh my god, is that the new Honda? Maybe. That's definitely the Honda. It's definitely the Honda CB125, but is that the... I think that's a new one. Oh, that one's really new. Wow, that did not take long to fill up. What the fuck? Oh my god, I felt like I'd only been here for 5 seconds, dude. It's already full. It's already full of my juices. Fuck fuel, mate. That shit's expensive. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's the new one. Solid, mate. Solid. Hey there. It's pump number 9, please. I don't want to spend the night. It looks good, mate. It looks good. Hell yeah, man. Love it. If mine was clean, it would look better. It looks a bit dirty. Well, it doesn't look a bit dirty. It is a bit dirty. It's just straight up dirt.
Just have a sausage roll.
What? Is this guy going or is he parking? Someone, nice bike! He's going. He's just going really slowly. All right. Gotta get in the gap, man, otherwise you're not a racer, or whatever the saying is. Something like that. But yeah, I think it will just give the kind of, it'll give like a role play, more role play type aspect to the game, when the stakes are so much higher for death. You'll plan everything. Like, look, how I play the game is usually just like, fuck about and find out type shit, right? Like, basically don't really, I try and do it the fastest, most easiest way possible, and it usually backfires, right, the first time, and then I do it properly-ish the next time. But I'm going to be doing everything with care, with consideration. It would just make everything so much more fun. I'll be doing stuff the way it was meant to be done, building proper traps, making proper preparation for caves instead of just running in there and hoping for the best. Because, like, I don't know, I feel like that's a way worse way of playing it, just like fingers crossed. It's way more fun when you play the game properly and you actually try and do stuff properly and you prepare for stuff properly. It is just so much more fun that way, in my opinion. If you disagree, leave it in the comment below. Alright, I don't give a fuck. You think I care if you disagree with me when my opinion is relevant and yours is irrelevant? No sir, I don't care about that. Thank you sir. Alright, anyway, we're home. I'll be back with you in a sec because I do have some more stuff to do. I'm back! What's up, dude? We're on our way. We took a little bit of a break in the daddy's house, and now we're heading over to buy some meat. We're gonna buy some meat from the butchers. La da 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 dum, la da 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 dum, la da 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 dum, la da 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 bum. I don't want to hear the comments saying, oh, it's a fucking residential area, you're going to run over my kid running out into the road. Tell your kid not to randomly fucking run out into the road, because I'm going to kill him regardless of whether I crash into him. That little bitch is going to die anyway for crossing the road without looking. Alright? That's natural selection, mate. And also, by the way, before you start to chat some shit to me, mate, this is not even real, mate. We are in a simulation, so when you think about it, does it matter? No, really. Alright, let's find a place to park then, shall we? Because that's what we gotta do. You come. There we go. No problem. No, I'm such a nice guy! Alright, we're gonna have to find a parking space, guys. Finding parking spaces for me is not usually that hard because I have a motorbike. Ambulance, mate. I'm just gonna park right in here real quick. There we go, yes sir. Dodge the ambulance. Alright, I'll be back in a sec when I've got the meat. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, we got it, we got it. Thank you, sir. Oh, what a nice guy, mate. What a nice guy, cream of the crop, I would say. Very, very kind. I decided that I was going to make an absolute fool of myself if I tried to back it out backwards. So I turned it around instead. That guy's got a big ass truck. Shoo! Bigger the truck, the better they fuck. We have to wait for the people to go. Oh, wait, so she was running up until she got to the road, and then she stopped running as she started crossing. That's weird, man. I'm not gonna lie, that's weird. That's weird as hell. That's some backwards thinking right there. She was running to the road, and then she walked across. What? That was pretty sick. I like doing that little, like, slow, basically come to a stop and then turn. Oh, it's so cool. Makes me wanna scream. Don't like, don't subscribe. Save it for someone else, alright? I know you can do it to multiple, but just save it for someone else, just for me, please. Please, okay? Bye-bye.